to be nude is okay for 18 content creator, because to be naked is an art. But but really, so it's not same as before, Yabor. It's different. It's really different. So many people transfer to OF. Many Patreon is like not as famous as before. So a lot of creators transfer to OF. But still, OF changed their policies. Some videos you cannot upload there this time. You can I have a lot of requests, do this, do that, like that. I cannot do it. Yeah, I can, but I need somewhere to send it. So it's not really dance challenge. Dance, I cannot dance. YouTube is hypocrite. I send so many content of content creators, shows so many things. Then you see people showing some skin, it's a big deal. Yeah, no? I don't know, Ray. Really, I don't know. Why they become strict? People put a disclaimer and then they are can post. I mean, yeah. If they think that it's too much, you upload too much there, you get some what is that? Notice about it, and then they will delete it directly. Once they detected it, they will delete it directly. So you are you confused. Oh, where is my upload? It's gone. Because if once they detect something, they really remove it. They remove it. Yeah, and it's fine, huh? Ray, I can I have some upload here, because before really my content was like yoga, sexy thing, because I am promoting my Patreon, my OnlyFans, something like that. And so I upload some clips, but it's not on this channel, but my other channel. So because I am a creator, so I post some like sequence video to promote. So I get a lot of supporter from here. But since I stopped promoting, they are all gone. I don't know. It's years ago. So I don't get support now, but it's okay. It's like maybe enough. Maybe enough. Read it? I don't know. I don't know how to use read it. It's not one. For me, OF is the best. OF is the best. I remember how I tried to talk with you about a certain subject and they automatically delete my message just because of a word used. Yeah, some misses there. You cannot type numbers, but you can type the words, not the numbers. It's Michi. Yeah. So, and then my other channel, when I was in the Philippines, I was just uploading family videos together with my family, a vacation, and then